Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. So today's an exciting one. I've got a Made by Mitchell mystery bag for you. So yeah, it just looks like that. There's only 3 items in it. It's one of the mini mystery bags, and this one is the Drip Drip mystery bag. So I'm keeping 2 items which I'll talk to you about, and I'm passing one on. But I'll talk to you about the one that I'm passing on. So it's an all lip no trip define lip liner, and I don't think I'll use the colour, so I'm passing it on to my friend. It's in the shade Choices. I don't think she'll mind me showing you. So it's that shade there, and then it's very, very precise. So it's just a nice chocolate brown, and I do have a lipstick that would go with that, but I know I'm not going to use it. I've got so many lip liners, guys, so I'm gonna put this in a friend mailbox and pass it on to her. Then I got this brush, and I wasn't sure whether I wanted to keep this brush either, just purely because I've got so many brushes, but I just thought, well, I could review it for the channel, so I may as well keep it. So it's the Made by Mitchell MF2 brush, and it just says on the back, ready, set, glow, perfect for finishing products, under eye powder, powders and liquid shimmers. So it's a multitasking brush basically. I have used it. I used it yesterday to set my under eye powder. It's really, really nice and fluffy. Yeah, I was talking to my friend Jane, and she said they're really, really sturdy brushes. They are. It does look really, really sturdy. I don't know how much these products go for by themselves, so I'll need to put that in the video somewhere if I can find them. And then the last thing is what I bought it for. It's for the Made by Mitchell Blursh Drip Drip. I would say this isn't a blush, not for me anyway. So yeah, it's in the shade Drip Drip. I mean, it's beautiful. Let's see if I can... did a swatch of it yesterday, because well, I haven't said in this video, but I said in the Primark video that I'm just going to get a wipe. So I was saying in the Primark video that I filmed this yesterday, but I was all zoomed in, and I've had to delete that footage. Luckily I saw it and didn't edit it. Right, so definitely not a blusher this. I mean, you look at it and you think, well, maybe I can pass it off as a highlighter. You wouldn't even be able to pass it off as a highlighter. Maybe if you had a deeper skin tone. Maybe if you wanted to do an editorial makeup look. And then, like, when I looked at it, I'm like, that would give me Tin Man vibes. I looked at this, I'm like, that would give me Tin Man vibes. It really doesn't. It gives me so much more than Tin Man vibes. So this is it here. It dries down really, really nice. It doesn't, like, from what I've seen, it doesn't show any texture. On the eyelids it might, but I really, really want to try and use this as an eyeshadow. Not an eyeshadow, maybe as an inner corner. It is a little bit dark to be using it as an inner corner. I could use it as an eyeshadow base and put a shade over the top. It's just a really, really pretty shade. So again, guys, that's in the shade Drip Drip. So that's the 3 items I got. I paid £10 for the mystery bag. It said they're normally £30. I don't buy that. I don't buy that. Those products are normally £30. Maybe individually I'll have to calculate that up, but I don't believe that a Made by Mitchell mystery bag for those products would be £30. Maybe one of his bigger bags, because he does a bigger bag. So I'm going to order another mystery bag, but just his blush ones, because I feel like I got the blush mystery bag and I feel like that was better. I do want to order one of them again. I would say definitely go, unless you want a Drip Drip, one of these to use like as eyeshadow as I did, I would say go with the blush mystery bags, because I feel like they're better. Anyway, guys, I'm going to leave it here. If you're not already subscribed, please think about subscribing. It would mean a lot to me. Please also like this video. It helps get my small channel out there, and I massively appreciate it. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.